We're on Brimstone Hill Fortress and there's a helicopter coming in to one part of the fortress that looks like it was made as a landing pad. There it goes. Who are these rich people who can afford a helicopter? I wonder. Must be nice. There, it's landed.